Hey there, I got a real quick video of me fixing bullshit that breaks around the house.
Yay.
Right here I have a mud flap for a F-150 2022. I had a load in the back of my truck. I was backing up over a curb, and the truck was so weighed down that this actually got stuck in between my tire and the curb, and it just ripped it right off. This was ripped here, so we just used JB Weld and put some, this is kind of like a rubber fabric that my dad had. I don't know where he got it, but we just put it on both sides to kind of reinforce and keep it together, and now I'm just going to pop it back on the truck. So we're just going to put this back on here, and so these, you got a couple clips here that I will clip on to this part, and then there's two holes here that we'll have to find some bolts, some nuts and bolts to fasten that on, because the originals are long gone. I don't know where those are. I had to go find some bolts that were the same size, and we'll just pop them through the slots. One. Two. And clip the clips on the truck. Back here I'm just screwing on the bolt, or the nut onto the bolt. Forgot to put the washer on. Oh, you got it. Same thing on the other one. Ooh. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to put the washer on the other one because there's a curve in the bracket. That's okay. I think it'll hold up just fine. And now if you get here, so here I'm gonna slide this slot all the way over. To loosen that one. Can't get my damn. Yep. Okay, there. Slide it all the way over. I'm gonna have to get a special tool for this. All right, got my super special tool. This is how they used to do it back in the 90s. Just kidding. Okay. I think that'll hold. So there you have it. That's a really simple fix. Just bought a couple of bolts and some nuts, and probably cost me $1.50 to fix that. And I used two tools. So hopefully this helps you out if you need to pop a new mud flap on your truck. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.